Modi in his rally also attacked Prime Minister for economic downturn, but his attack coming at a time when the RSS BJP meet is scheduled to decide the party's PM face. Will Modi make the cut?
In the first of his rallies that kicked off the election campaign, Narendra Modi was in Chhattisgarh. And his target, the Congress-led UPA government.
कांग्रेस का अहंकार सातवें आसमान पर चढ़ा हुआ है। वो इस देश के नागरिकों को नागरिक मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं है। वे सामान्य मानवी को एक वोट बैंक की तरह हमेशा ही उसके साथ व्यवहार करते हुए आए हैं।
While Modi was in Ambikapur, the RSS top brass met in Delhi prior to its two-day consultation with the BJP. The agenda was clear: pave the way for Modi to be nominated as the prime ministerial candidate.
यह निर्णय पार्टी को करना है और पार्टी करेगी, और संघ का जो मत है वो संघ के लोगों ने पार्टी को बता दिया है, वो पार्टी जानती है।
Beginning today, the two-day-long RSS BJP meet will be focusing on discussing issues of internal security and economy, and also will be charting out political strategy for 2014. 12 members from the Bharatiya Janata Party, including Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi, would be present in the meeting, and sources say that the meeting could pave way for Narendra Modi to be officially announced as its prime ministerial candidate by the BJP.
And the man of the moment knows that this is the BJP's best moment to take charge in Delhi.
सरकार का एक ही धर्म होता है, सरकार का एक ही धर्म होता है नेशन फर्स्ट। सरकार का एक ही धर्म ग्रंथ होता है भारत का संविधान। सरकार की एक ही भक्ति होती है Bharat Bhakti.
Narendra Modi will hold a series of rallies in election-bound states, with the next in Jaipur. And the election atmosphere will only be more charged. Bureau Report, Times Now.